It starts with a vision of beauty, a surface that defines elegance, endurance, and the heart of a modern home. Welcome to Bestone. We are a leading manufacturer and innovator in the world of engineered quartz surfaces. From the classic touch of Carrara to the bold strokes of Calacatta, our extensive collection offers colors and patterns that bring any design concept to life. Crafted with 93% natural quartz and advanced polymer technology, our slabs are engineered for extreme durability. High density, scratch resistant, and non-porous. Every slab undergoes strict quality control to ensure perfection. Easy to clean and maintenance-free, Bestone is the ideal choice for kitchens, bathrooms, and commercial spaces. With a global logistics network and dedicated customer support, we deliver excellence to partners, fabricators, and contractors around the world. OEM and ODM services are fully supported. Create your dream space with the strength of stone and the beauty of art. Bestone, solid surface, solid choice.